children. In this video, let's see how to learn and write A for apple. Let's draw the letter A. This is the alphabet A. You can also try this along with me, children. This is A. Now let us draw an apple. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Let's draw the leaf of the apple. Now I'm going to use this marker to make it more attractive. Now it is painting time. I'm going to use this green color and color the letter A. This is letter A. Green color letter A. Do you all like painting? I also like it very much. This is red color. What color is this? Red color. Let's color the apple with red color. Apple is red in color. Do you all like to eat apple? Apple is very good for our health.
The farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o. The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
Hope you all enjoy this video.
The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow.
Now let's give light green color for the
The
leaf.
nurse takes the cow. The cow
Dark
takes the
green
dog.
color.
The cow takes the dog.
This is the stem.
Hi-ho the dairy-o. The cow takes the
A,
dog.
apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Thank you for watching, children. Please like and subscribe to our channel.